Hey, what's going on all you classic Mustang lovers out there? This is Hydo Restorations coming at you for a really quick video. I'm sure all of us have had problems at some point or the other with 60-plus-year-old cars with these striker plates. And what you generally find is when you go to shut the door, back this camera out a little bit, and it just bounces. It doesn't want to shut, right? So you got to get really close. And no shade on my Camaro and LS and Chevin loving friends, but really you got a Chevy door going on, so you got to just close hard and it'll stay. So I don't know if the latch is good or bad. I don't think the latch is bad, but again, I mean, this door has probably been opened 100,000 times and closed. So what I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and replace this striker plate. I got the parts from, I can't remember if it was Kentucky Mustang or where. These are Taiwan, so they're OER. But we've got this 64 to 66 striker plates, and it's also got a shim on it. And I'm actually going to install with the shim, adjust this around a little bit, and just see if I can find a position where it's going to work. So that is a really quick project for today. So I'm going to go ahead. I've already put some shoulder grease into it. It wasn't elbow, it was definitely shoulder. I'm going to go ahead and just unscrew these. And then it really is just 2 bolts. And you can see that they'll pop right off. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out of the bag right here and pop it on. And then start doing some adjustments to see if I can get this door to close normally like the driver's side. All right, so you can see we've got the new striker plate in. I used the shim on the back, which is awesome. And you can see that I actually moved it up forward about 90% toward the interior of the car. And then what I actually did was I tightened up and then loosened a little bit, which moved around the latch, but it's still very tight. And it's kind of cool because, I mean, now door shuts. It's not perfectly aligned, but you can also see that this car has been in an accident. And I am in no way, shape, or form close to having body work done on it. But the door used to just pull open and it would just fly open. So, yeah, I mean, she shuts, she opens, she closes. It's crazy the difference that just a quick $10 striker plate with the shim makes. So, I can also see exactly where it's making contact now, which is really nice. So anyway, hey, y'all, if that was helpful and you liked what you saw, go ahead and give us a like. And we'll catch you on the next video. Hydo Restorations out.